who is currently representing the good people of Abeokuta South 2 State Constituency, Honorable Adedini. Thank you so much for being part of today's occasion. Equally, I'd like to recognize the presence of our former majority leader of the Ogun State House of Assembly, and right now he is the special advisor to His Excellency Mr. Governor Mr. Oba on housing. Honorable Adedini, you are most welcome. From our constituency, I'd like to recognize our former chairman of the Nigerian Union of Journalists Ogun State Council, Mr. Wale Shokubi, and also our former chairman, Comrade Tunde Shodeke.
As the representative of His Imperial Majesty, Kabisi Alailuwa Ooni, and Adeyeye Tongusi Ojaja II, Arole Oodua. We are so delighted to be here on this auspicious occasion of official opening of this massive, the largest event center in Ogun State. And we wish the owner who invested so much in the event center, God grants her the grace to start and complete this building. We give her the grace to enjoy it for so many years to come. So we are happy to be part of our celebration.
Let me quickly recognize the presence of Honorable Adedini. I would also like to recognize the presence of Haji Ola Animashawo. Thank you so much for coming. We appreciate every one of you.
Yes, sir.
Who can do that is Bishop Taiwo Akiola Adane. The Spirit of God will continue to be upon you, and it shall never desert you.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.